Beamies. I just got a very exciting package in the mail. I have been waiting so long for this. Not actually that long, but it feels like it's been forever because I've been so excited. If you saw my shopping vlog, I got my eyeliner, the Judydoll eyeliner, weeks ago, 2 weeks ago maybe, and I really loved it. It did not bother me at all. And I have like really sensitive skin ever since I got eczema. So I was like, let me try and get their other stuff. Also, if I look really tired, it's because I woke up at 3 a.m. this morning and I could not fall back asleep. Full face of Judydoll makeup. Ta-da! I'm very excited. I got a bunch of fun products. So I'll introduce them all to you. I did already take everything out of their boxes because they were difficult to open and I didn't want to have to struggle and then edit all of it out, but the boxes were really cute. I got this purple setting powder. It's massive. I don't check the size of things when I order things. I'm just like, yeah, that looks great. The whole time I was opening the packages, I was like, oh, that's smaller than I thought. Oh, that's like way bigger than I thought. Like this was something that was way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It comes with this adorable puff. It says Judydoll on it and it's like super thick and puffy, and so you just I'm very excited to use that because the powder I'm using right now is not very good, so I'm excited to see if it's any better. I got this adorable, it's an eyeliner. Like, is that not the cutest? So it just pulls out there. You unscrew it. I already tested it out a couple times, but you just drag it and then draw. This is another thing that was way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Like, that's massive. I thought it was gonna be like that small. But this is the Judydoll mattifying makeup base, a cup of frappe Americano. I bought it because I love Americano, as we all know. And so I saw Americano, I'm like, I wanna like try that. So it comes with this little cap. You take it off, pump a bit out, and this stuff, like a little goes a long way. I thought it was gonna be clear, but it does have like a tint. I got this cushion foundation. It's so pretty. It's also huge. So it comes with this little puff. There's so much product. I don't know if you can see that, but it's already spilling. Like, you don't barely tap. I think, what did I get? This is in shade N10, I believe. This is the lightest one. This cute eyeshadow palette. I thought this color was going to be more green. In the photos, it looked greener, but it's more of like a gray in real life. And then it shuts nicely. I like how it has like a little resistance to that click shut. Like, love that. Few lip stuff. I got this one. It looks really dark, but it's not like it is dark. But this also, on camera, it looks way oranger than it actually is. It's more of like a deep berry color, if that makes sense, with like a slight orange tint. And then I got the Iron Mascara. This is their new and improved, slightly angled one, I believe. I got 2 Hug series things because it's just so cute. I got this one. It's that kind of lipstick. This one is in Italian, I believe. It's that kind of like brownish, reddish color. So you just twist this to activate it and then like draw a couple times, then it just comes out. The other thing in the Hug series that I got was this. It's like a cushion foundation, but it's blush. And look at this. I almost screamed when I opened this. Like, it's so adorable. It's a little like puff. It's this kind of pale purple color. And the smart thing is it has a lock. So like it air locks. So that's how it looks. And then I got this eyelash set. It comes with this eyeliner you draw on and just stick the false lashes. There's 2 styles, I believe. This one and then the bottom one here. They are difficult to get off. I tried it and you can see it, like I bent the thing, so I'm gonna have to use a tweezer to get the other ones off. But I like the case, it's nice. And the eyeliner is in ultra black. And then this is the contour stick I got. It comes with a little brush, it's really soft. It's this gray color. And then of course I had to get the viral thing. I got this one, this color. This is the lip and cheek mud, I believe it's called. This eyeshadow pen. It's a twist one, so you just twist it a bit, and it's really nice. It's like a nice champagne color. The last thing is just a concealer. This is the Cloud Touch Concealer, I believe, in 00. It's got a really small doe for it. So let's get into the makeup. So we're gonna start off with the primer. Just gonna pump a little bit. It has a like the cliche smell of makeup, I'd say. It's not that it smells bad, it's just, I guess it smells like foundation. Like, it already gave me some coverage, so I feel like you could just wear this thing now onto the cushion foundation. This is a mesh one. This has a, like, strangely floral smell. Again, it doesn't smell bad, it's just, I don't know how to describe it. Bring it down a bit onto the neck so it blends. I'm very curious to see what kind of coverage this has, because I struggled to find a one that is high enough coverage for me. I am noticing some irritation around my lips, or that it feels like irritated, so we'll see if it continues or if it goes away. Lip area though, or my mouth area, is probably one of the most sensitive because I get eczema on my lips and like right below here, which is where I'm feeling it. And go in with the blush. I'll probably go in after this one to darken it just a tiny bit in like the center with the lip and cheek mud, but we'll see. This is very pale. I definitely should have gotten a darker color because I feel like what I can see here is it's barely showing up. I'm gonna be taking this now and just taking a bit and tapping it on my cheeks. The consistency of this is really nice. I feel like it's like a balm, which I believe it's called, and that's like the best way to describe it. It goes on really nicely. I'm trying to keep it relatively light. Just move on to powder now. I'm gonna take this powder. Oh my gosh. I had a thing covering it. I wasn't even getting anything. Oh, there's another thing covering it. Okay, are we at the product now? Oh wow, that was like really matted down really quickly. This puff is really nice. It's nice and soft. I really enjoy this. I'm just gonna put a bit extra at my nose, seeing as my glasses go there. I forgot the contour. I knew I was forgetting something. Oh my gosh. Should we risk it? Should I try it anyways? I'm gonna try it anyways. I don't know how much to put because I don't know how pigmented this is, so I could end up looking crazy. I'm just gonna blend it out with this brush. Ugh. I should put my glasses on because I cannot see anything. Oh wow, that is dark. Ah. Well, I'm. That definitely gave me a chisel effect. You also dry down pretty quickly. I feel like I put more on this side, maybe I did. I look crazy. Should I add more? Is that gonna fix it? I feel like the answer is no. But at the same time, I feel like it might be yes. I don't know. Ah! I look. Oh my gosh. Is this actually doing it? Help me. But hey, now you know it's like really pigmented. Oh my gosh. I cannot go move my head for the rest of this video because you guys are gonna see this. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go, you know what? It's going on my chin now too. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Should I do it on my forehead too? Anyways, the brush is nice. Nice and soft. I can't get over this. It's like such a harsh line. I'm gonna do my nose and forehead too. I just want to try it. A and B. Like, I already messed it up, so why not just roll with it? I'm getting a new chair soon. It's coming either tomorrow or the day after, or at least it's supposed to. And I'm so excited because I have not had a new chair in like so many years. I don't think I ever have had a new chair of my own because I just took this one that I have right now on my desk. It's just my sister's chair because why not? But I'm excited because I have terrible posture lately and I feel like that it's gonna help, you know? I like to tell myself that, but it's green. It's like a bright green and I'm so excited. The nose contour doesn't look bad, but I'm so excited for it. I should have clipped my bangs. Go back, bangs. Go back. I'm going to now take this eyeshadow palette. This is also the design of the eyeshadow palette. See, I'm not a huge fan of that. I was confused when I first saw it. So as I was editing this, I came to realize that this whole second chunk of the video has no audio, and I stupidly deleted the footage off my phone before I made sure that the footage that was brought over onto my computer to edit was fine. And so then I went onto the SD card and I was like, oh, maybe the SD card's fine. One is fine. No, of course it's not. So I'm just gonna edit it and write captions instead, but oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done that. I've had problems before of things not porting correctly. So bear with me, please. This is very unfortunate because there was a lot of footage left and I feel like, you know, I made a great commentary. So now you're just gonna have to watch a video of me moving my mouth randomly. And the subtitles are not gonna match up, obviously, because I'm gonna be saying something different. My no longer first impressions. I'll try to remember what I said, but yeah, unfortunately. I'm sorry, guys. Please forgive me, Beamies. Why?
Bye.